You have a haircut like this and you want to maintain it. Also, you have a haircut like this and you want to maintain it. So how often should you get a haircut? This goes for pretty much any hairstyle, male, female, it doesn't matter how long your hair is. A haircut really is designed to clean up the ends of your hair to keep it looking healthy, or to reshape the style that you have so that you can continuously have the right type of hairstyle. Because once something grows out, it literally starts to just weigh itself down and it loses its shape. So how often should you be getting a haircut? That could be anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks to 2 months to 3 months to once every 6 months, 2 times a year getting a haircut. It all really depends on you. That's where I think you need to analyze your haircut and break down what you're doing. Me, I shave my head every 2 to 3 days. I'm shaving my head. And if you're somebody who wants a skin tight fade all the time, you want to look really sharp around the edges, all that, you may have to go in once a week. It all really depends on your budget. It depends on the kind of style that you have, the kind of maintenance that you are going to commit, right? Your commitment level. So with haircuts, say something like this, how often should you get a cut? I would say once every 6 weeks, because once this haircut starts to grow out, it's going to get too long and it's going to constantly fall down in your face, and you're going to have to put more and more work into it to keep it at that right length. All right, so the hair grows anywhere from ½ an inch to 3/4 of an inch a month, some a little less, some a little more. So just keep that in mind, that if your hair, say it grows ½ an inch within a month's time, which isn't that long, it may actually bug you more throughout the sides and the back than the top. Maybe you can say, you know what? I'll wait a month and a half. I'll wait 9 weeks or 10 weeks. It all depends on how you can maintain and manage your hair while it's growing out, okay? And the myth of, getting a haircut makes your hair grow faster, no. All getting a haircut does is it makes your hair look healthier as your hair grows out. Because if you don't trim your ends, they're gonna start to get, you're gonna get split ends. It's gonna look very dry. They're gonna start to split. It's gonna look very unhealthy, very fine, and it's just not gonna look the greatest. So by getting your haircut on a regular basis, it's just gonna keep the hair looking healthy, which doesn't make your hair grow faster. It just makes it look a lot better, okay? So it really depends on you, your budget, and really the kind of commitment level you want to having that style. There's nothing wrong with getting your haircut once a week. There's nothing wrong with getting your haircut once, for something like this, once every 5 months, once every 4 months. The longer the hair gets, the more it's going to weigh itself down and lose its shape. If you wait too long, this can eventually start to just look very flat, and it's not going to have that life and that body to it. So if you want a style that's going to have a lot of volume, a lot of life to it, a lot of movement and texture, then you have to get your hair cut more often. Also, talk to your professional. The person you're paying to cut your hair, they should be telling you what's the maintenance, this is the maintenance plan for this type of haircut. Talk to them. You're giving them money. You're not giving me money, you're paying them to do it. So that's my take on that whole thing. Let me know how often you get your haircut in the comments below. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.